Hey guys, Nikki over here at Wright Subaru. Today's a super exciting day. I got my calendar. So we're gonna open this up. Everyone that gets a new car here gets one of these in the mail. It's just our way of saying thank you for your business and to enjoy memories of your new car. Put this down here and we'll see what's in it. It comes in a nice box to keep it protected and a nice envelope, and it says happiness comes from within. So we'll get this open here. Ooh, I like it. Let's see what else is in here. I got a picture of me and my car. I love the Subarus too. They're awesome, especially my Forester. So on the back of this, ooh, I do get a VIP Service Club discount. Awesome. Love that. Saving money is great. On my calendar. Aw, this is really nice. Aw, I love that. So that's me, my car, and it starts off with May, the month we're in, and then a nice letter from Dave Wright himself, the owner. Took time to put a letter in here. I love that. And then I do have some referral cards, and I can refer friends and family and get a $100 to $200 Visa gift card. Pretty cool. And then a thank you card. Thank you for allowing me to be part of a major purchase. My passion is to serve you all with your motoring needs, and going forward, please contact me anytime. Awesome. I love this. It's so exciting. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy your new calendar as much as I love mine, and just look for yours in the mail. Thank you.